How to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified error on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix this app cannot be installed because of its integrity could not be verified error whenever you download another app. So let's get started. So the first step that you might want to take is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, scroll down all the way till you find screen time. Tap on your screen time and scroll down again, and there you should find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it and head over to iTunes and App Store purchases, and inside there head over to installing apps. Make sure that it's on allow and not on don't allow. After you've done that, you can head back and try to download the app that you've been trying to download again and check if the error is gone. If it's not gone, what you'll need to do is you will need to simply come back to settings again, head over to general and head over to software update and make sure that your account is, your iPhone is up to date. So make sure that your software is updated to its latest version. And after you've done that, what you'll then need to do is again update your software, go back and check if your problem is solved. If that does not fix your problem, what you might want to do is you might want to head back here, head over to general. Under general, scroll down all the way and there you will see language and region. Head over to your region and make sure that you're on your correct region, and also make sure that your date and region is correct. After you've done that, you can head over to date and time and make sure your time zone is correct. Now that is also going to play a role. And after you've done that, make sure that you're connected to the internet connection correctly and check if the app can then be downloaded. If that cannot be downloaded, it might be because the app is not yet available in your region, and you might want to change your Apple ID and then try again. And with that, your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.